Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is create a custom error message. So first of all I'm going to create let's have a look, the path to my desktop, which is going to be path. This is to my desktop on Windows. This is my own unique desktop path here. Your desktop path is going to be different, so you will have to find out what your desktop path is, because if you simply type this in, you're going to get an error. Okay, so that's my desktop path. I need to change into it now with chddir. Change the directory to this path. Okay, I'm going to create a subroutine, and let's have a look. Move files. Okay, so let's create a file. So we've got keystrokes here, and I want to move it into, let's say, create a folder here, X. So I want to move this into here. And we're also going to throw an error message if we can't find the file. So move files. We're going to create a custom error message here, my scalar error message. And we're going to assign it to source file doesn't exist. Then we're going to create the path to the source. She's going to be C:\users mark desktop, and the source file here is X. That's going to be X. Okay, the destination, sorry, that's not the source file. The source file is keystrokes.txt. Right, and then we've got the destination file. I'm going to assign that to C. Desktop X. So that's the destination file. So we're going to do a conditional here. If, let's say, and we've got put E here, which is exists, source. So if the source exists, I'm going to print the user a message. Moving to, and then that's going to be destination. Okay. So we move the file simply by move, and that's going to be source. Move the source to the destination. There. Or else, if there's a problem, we're going to trigger our error message, our bespoke error message here. That's simply going to be print, say, error message. Okay, all we have to do now is call the program and hope there's no typos. the move files. Simply call the program like that, save it, and let's run the program. Okay, so we got a little bit of an error here. Okay guys, slight error. I forgot to paste in this module. So we use file copy for this. That's where the error occurred. So let's just run it again. Okay, so it says moving to C users. Let's just have a look, and yeah, it's been moved into there. Now let's try and move the same file again to trigger this custom error message. Okay, there's the custom error message here. Source file doesn't exist. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.